Welcome back. Well, the staff at Helen Joseph Hospital are protesting outside the hospital over a lack of protective clothing. They claim there are 5 confirmed cases of staff members at the hospital for COVID-19. Our reporter Nozintombi Miya has more.
Well, nurses here at the Helen Joseph Hospital have been protesting since the early hours of this morning, since about 6 o'clock on Monday morning. But they say that they've been protesting since Friday last week. This because at least 5 nurses tested positive for COVID-19. And the nurses here say that they also want to get tested as well, as they believe that their lives are in danger. And to talk to us a little bit more about this, we've got a representative from one of the people, from one of the support staff behind me that is protesting. Her name is Martha. Thank you so much, Martha. I understand that you guys have been protesting here since Friday.
Protesting on Friday because some of our staff members, they were tested and got positive. First thing, they started at casualty. Casualty was never closed and been sanitized. Stomach clinic, all the nurses are tested positive, is closed but not sanitized. So we want all of us to be tested because we are afraid that we can get connected with those people. We want to know the status. And worst part of it, the management doesn't give us any feedback. As we speak now, we want to go inside and hand over the memorandum because the only thing they give us the mask and the sanitizer. We don't have the PPEs. Yes.
Why, when you ask management why they don't have PPEs for you, what did they say?
They say there's no money to buy PPE.
But we understand that government has given all the hospitals in the Gauteng district PPEs, and they also have stock of PPEs. So it doesn't seem to make sense that your management is saying they don't have money for the PPEs, but government is saying that they have given all of the hospital staff in Gauteng PPEs.
No, the PPE, the only government gave us is only sanitizers and the mask. Yes.
So when you say PPE, what kind of protective clothing specifically are you as support staff looking for?
Especially for the porters and the cleaning department, we need at least the protective clothes. You see, even they have to protect from the feet. Yes, even if they buy the gowns for them so that they can protect, because the porters are transporting the patient, and while you don't know whether that patient is infected.
Helen Joseph is one of the biggest hospitals here in Gauteng, and it always has a lot of traffic movement. And the fact that at least 5 nurses have tested positive is very concerning. Surely this must be concerning to you as well. Do you know how many nurses have tested positive?
More than 5 nurses have been tested positive. So we don't know our support staff because we meet with the nurses. So that's why we protest here. We want to be tested so that we can know and be in quarantine. Because what's part of it, some of our members have been tested, but the CEO said they have to come to work until they get the results. How many people are going to be infected while you come to work? Yes.
And it does seem as though your management is not really communicating with you, the support staff. How do you hope that you'll be able to deal with that issue of management communicating to you properly?
Can you repeat that?
How are you going to deal with management not communicating properly with you?
I think the only thing is to do like this until they communicate with us and give us the solution. As I was saying to you, we're going to hand over the memorandum. We are giving our management 2 days to reply to us.
And if they don't respond within 2 days, what's going to happen?
We'll keep on protesting until they reply to us.
Have you spoken to the unions for any assistance?
You know, our unions, guys, they are not there to support us.
Why do you say that?
As I'm speaking to you, our shop stewards are working inside. They just pass here and greet us. So that's why we came here and stand here on our own, because we are the one who are going to be infected, and we take this to our families.
Thank you so much, Martha. Martha is one of the support staff members here at the Helen Joseph Hospital, one of the biggest hospitals here in Gauteng. And she represents the support staff behind me that has been protesting since Friday and renewed their protest again since about 6 o'clock this morning. And they say they want additional protective clothing, not just masks and sanitizers. They say they want full protective clothing gear from the feet all the way covering up their heads. And they say that they're concerned because at least 5 nurses have tested positive here at this hospital. And it seems as though management has told the rest of the support staff that have tested to continue working up until the results come. And the support staff behind me says that they're extremely worried about what will happen to their safety and the health of their families. With that, it's back to you in the studio.